Hi, I'm Lisa from Garden Trends, and I'd like to talk to you today about some of the healthiest foods you can serve to your family. Not only are sprouts nutritious, they're extremely delicious. And when added to a salad or sandwich or soup, you just can't beat them. And with that in mind, you always want to have safe and proper food handling when serving to your family. And because of that, we've partnered with the industry leader in seed sprouts to ensure that we are providing you with the highest quality sprout seeds we can. And our vendor has put together a short video for you so that you can see all the important steps that they go through to ensure that your seeds are of the highest quality.
The first step in testing a seed is visually observe the container that the seed came in for any damage, debris, or adulteration, etc., which would indicate that the seed itself had been contaminated either in storage and or shipping prior to it getting here. The next step is to pull a sample. Sample sizes, the number of samples taken are very important. The more samples you've got, the better the odds are you're going to find a problem if it's there. That's why we pull a minimum of a 25-gram sample from each and every bag. And in a load of seed, that will make a composite sample between 40 and 50 pounds of seed. The first thing we do when we get the seed composite in the lab, grow the seed out. And the reason that we grow the seed is because seed can be very lightly contaminated. Let's just say 4 seeds per kilogram. Well, in alfalfa seed could be 4 seeds out of 500,000 seeds. So if you were just testing the dry seed in a 25 or 375 gram sample, you would have to be very, very lucky to find any of those 4 seeds that might be contaminated. So the best approach is to actually plant the seed in what we call lab testing unit. I refer to it as the LTUs, and grow that seed out. Those 4 CFUs of contamination within a 24-hour period will have multiplied into the million. Then we'll pull samples of the irrigation water that comes off of that sprouted seed. We'll do a testing on that irrigation water for Salmonella, E. coli. These lateral flow devices have their own built-in controls. The one line at the top of each of these strips indicates the controls are working and the devices work. Had there have been 2 parallel lines in these devices, would have indicated a positive result. These are going to be sent to one of our partner outside labs that use a different methods than what we use in-house. It uses an immunomagnetic separation process for Salmonella and the top 7 Shingles toxin-producing E. coli's as well. We'll also pull a sample, 4 pounds of the sprouted seed itself. We'll send that off to another lab that does another full gamut of testing for, again, Salmonella, E. coli, Shigella, Listeria monocytogenes, as well as 6 additional Shingles toxin-producing E. coli. We will actually send off to a lab for the seed health, such as weed seed, inert matter, germination, etc. I will also examine the seed, any kind of a foreign matter, just to make sure it's clean. All seed is held in quarantine until all test results from all labs are complete and negative. If there's any positive indicators, the seed will not be shipped and it will not get into the sprouting industry.